Today I'm going to show you how I start my day with a pint. Oh, and some oat groats. Interested? Keep watching. In my previous video I show you how I've prepared my oat groats in Instapot. And watch till the end where I show you what else you need to prepare. I used to eat overnight oats, but now I've switched to oat groats and I've never looked back. Oats have 51 grams of carbs, 13 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat and 8 grams of fiber in just 1 cup. That means that oats are amongst the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Add some plant-based milk. I use unsweetened soya milk. Some frozen berries of your choice. I use blueberries and some raspberries. Pop it in the microwave for a couple of minutes to warm it up. And now we're going to dress it up. Add a couple of dollops of plain plant-based yogurt. There are many brands available, just pick one lowest in sugar. It's already looking finger-licking delicious. Add 1 banana for extra health benefits. And a nice ripe banana will make this breakfast even more sweeter. Next, we're going to sprinkle some magic on a breakfast. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of ground hemp seeds, and 1 tablespoon of ground chia seeds. And finally 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds for extra crunchiness and even more goodness in your breakfast. You can also add 1 tablespoon of oat bran for extra fiber. So there you go, this is what I eat for my breakfast every day. It usually takes me a couple of minutes to prepare, but there's a couple of things that you need to have on hand. First of all, I buy all my seeds and nuts in bulk online, and I grind them in my spice grinder, so they're always fresh. And whilst my breakfast is already rich in all the nutrients that I need, I also supplement with some multivitamins, because I don't want to die from B12 deficiency. And on some occasions, if I've run out of my pre-prepared oat groats, I just use plain rolled oats and prepare them just like a porridge and dress it up exactly as I just have with this breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know down below what kind of breakfast do you eat. And if it's a full English breakfast, I do recommend you switch to this one. You might live longer.